friend, in this video, I'd like to share with you how to make the metal open and finish zipper with the pin and boss and top stop. So this is the pin and this is the boss. Okay, now let's see the details from the photo. First, you should have a one set gap pin machine, and second fill sealing, third hole punching, and fourth is the pin boss fixing, and five is the slider mounting, mount the slider to the zipper, and six is top stop fixing, and seven is cutting. So totally you need 7 sets machine. But for the top stop we have two model. Okay, let me show you other photo. So for top stop, we have the top stop made by brass wire. This is a brass wire. Okay, it's very heavy. It's brass. And we also have the aluminum, the top stop wire. And we also have the U-shape top stop wire. We can see from the low material photo. See, this is a U-shape. This is a European shape. So we also have these two models for your choosing. When you make the open and zipper, so you can choose the top stop, use this simple machine, the brass top stop, or you can use the U-shaper, and with this machine U-shaper, gray U-shaper top stop automatic machine, this semi-auto. Here you also see 7 steps, but many machines here. Why? Because, for example, hole punching, this is a standard hole punching machine, and this one is ultrasonic hole punching machine. And we also have the automatic and the semi-auto or manual machine for your choosing. For the gap pin, maybe some customer will ask me, "Hi Casey, why we need a gap pin machine? We can do the gap pin on the normal teeth stamping machine or the white teeth stamping machine." Yes, of course you can, my friend. But you know, sometimes you will do some store and keep it in your warehouse. And when you get the customer orders, then you can do the length according to your customer requirement directly. So that is why you can prepare for the gap pin machine. Then you can use the stock long chain and do the size quickly according to your customer's order. Okay, dear friend, we also have the detail leaflet for every set machine. In the leaflet, you can see the model, QQ model, and the machine's weight and machine's size, length, widers, and the heights. Okay, and the packing size also, and how much power you need. You can check the details from here. Every set machine's advantage and the spare parts, consumption spare parts, you can see from here. See, every set machine, fill sealing machine, hole punching machine, and the pin boss fixing machine, and the slider mounting machine, and the top stop machine. Okay, you can see all the machines leaflet here. Also, this is the open and cutting machine leaflet. You can see. Okay, and we also have the videos for every set machine. For example, this is the gap pin machine. Let's see, gap pin machine video. So here the result is here.
As you can see,
okay,
this machine
you
has
see,
done gapping very well.
The gapping has been done very well already. Okay, also we have the fill sealing, hole punching, pin boss, slider mounting machines. Many machines video you can find from our QQ YouTube, Facebook, or our website. Thank you for your interest. If you have any questions about the zipper or slider factory setting, you are welcome to send email to us. Thank you.